SEO feels like a moving target right now because AI is completely changing the game. But if you're struggling to keep up, you need to see ClickRank. It's an all-in-one tool that audits your entire website and hands you a list of exactly what to fix. The best part? It optimizes your site specifically for AI search. So when tools like ChatGPT or Gemini answer a question, they're actually citing your content. If you're currently paying for Ahrefs, Screaming Frog, or Yoast, you can finally simplify your tech stack. ClickRank integrates directly with your Google Search Console, and it's the perfect setup for bloggers, e-commerce stores, or marketing agencies who need to stay ahead of the curve. It's the ultimate triple threat. You can optimize, audit, and boost your visibility, all for the new world of AI search engines. ClickRank's brand new dashboard gives you faster, clearer insights than ever before. But the real magic is the AI SEO Agent. You can literally fix complex issues instantly just by using plain English commands. From repairing broken links to tracking your performance in one streamlined interface, it's never been easier. To really win, you have to ensure your site is readable for AI crawlers like ChatGPT, Claude, and Perplexity. ClickRank actually shows you how well these different models understand your content, giving you specific scores for each one. You can even track exactly when your site is cited in Google AI overviews. You also need the right keywords. Use the AI Search Volume Analyzer to uncover low competition terms you'd otherwise miss, then tweak your titles and headings for maximum visibility. Finally, make your content truly AI ready. Use the toolkit to add schema markup and auto-generate meta tags that don't just improve your rankings, but skyrocket your click-through rate. Stop guessing and start ranking. Click the link in my bio to start your free ClickRank trial and future-proof your SEO today.